If you've ever wanted to pause a recording in OBS Studio without fumbling around in menus or risking missing an important moment, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up hotkeys in OBS Studio so you can pause and resume your recording smoothly and efficiently. Perfect for gamers, streamers, or anyone capturing content on the fly. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about why hotkeys matter. Imagine you're recording gameplay footage or maybe a tutorial of your own and you want to pause the recording for a moment, maybe to grab some water or because something unexpected happened in-game. Instead of scrambling to find the OBS window and risk interrupting your flow, you'll be able to tap a single key combination and instantly pause your recording. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your workflow. So here's how you set it up. In OBS Studio, look at the controls panel, usually found in the lower right corner of the main window. Click on Settings. This will open a new window with several tabs along the left side. Now select the one labeled Hotkeys. This tab is your gateway to customizing keyboard shortcuts for nearly every aspect of OBS, and it's where the real magic happens. You'll notice that the Hotkeys tab has a long list of possible actions you can assign shortcuts to. Scroll down until you find the Recording section. It'll include 4 essential commands. Start recording, stop recording, pause recording, and unpause recording. Don't worry if the list seems a bit overwhelming, just take your time scrolling. You can always use the search bar at the top to jump straight to recording if you're in a hurry. Now comes the fun part, assigning your hotkeys. Click inside the box next to pause recording. You'll see the cursor blinking, waiting for your input. Press your desired shortcut combination. For example, you might pick Ctrl+P to pause. Choose something that feels natural for you, and make sure the shortcut doesn't conflict with any other actions you use often, either in OBS or within your game or app. Repeat the process for unpause recording. Click in the box and press the key combo you want to use, maybe Ctrl+U, so it's easy to remember. It's worth considering. Pick shortcuts that won't accidentally trigger during regular gameplay or overlap with major functions like saving or undoing. You want these keys to be intuitive but not disruptive. Once you've filled in your preferred hotkeys for pausing and unpausing, don't forget to save. Hit the OK button at the bottom of the settings window. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your changes won't stick and you'll have to do it all over again. So make sure you click OK before moving on, and that's it. From now on, whether you're in the middle of an epic boss fight, deep into a video call, or recording a complicated tutorial, you only need to tap your chosen hotkey to pause or resume recording. No more frantically searching for the OBS window or accidentally capturing moments you'd rather leave out. It's a small setup that streamlines your entire recording process. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another OBS feature you'd like covered. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.